In this video, I explain how to access Python. Here is the list name underscore cities, and we print the list. These are the elements of list, and we want to access these elements. So use the print command, write the name of list, index, its index is 0. First we want to select element of 0 position. Remember one thing, in Python, positioning start from 0, not 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Means London is at position 0, Paris at position 1, New York at position 2, Karachi 3, and so on if you have more elements in the list. So here you extract London. Similarly, you can extract other elements like I change its position to it's convert to New York. You can also print elements in reverse like -1. -1 means Karachi. Karachi. You can also get Karachi from number 3. Karachi. Similarly, New York is at position 2, right here to New York. And if we take reverse -1, -2, -2, again sign is New York, -3, -3, count reverse 1, 2, 3, -3 is Paris, Paris, and you get in ascending order 1, 0, 1. Paris. So if you start indexing at the start 0, 1, 2, so on, and write its number, which element you want to access, you can access the element in Python. And it is also possible to access the elements from the last of the list by using minus sign with the element. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.